Welcome to Wildrose Media's Fall Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to complete the beaded pumpkin. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit, you'll find a brown chenille stem, 2 green coiled vines. They may have gotten a little flat in the box, but I'll show you how to fix that later. Orange pipe cleaners stuck together, and a bag of orange beads. I call the chenille stems pipe cleaners sometimes. It's the same thing. We'll begin with the beads and the orange pipe cleaners. Open them up and flatten them out so it looks a little bit like a spider. Take the bag of beads and place several on your work surface. You may want to get a dish so they don't roll around. One at a time, thread the beads onto the orange chenille stems. Leave about 1 inch to 1.25 inches at the end of each orange pipe cleaner. We'll be using this to make the stem. Once you've added all the beads, bend the stems backwards slightly where the end of the beads are. This is a little difficult to describe, so watch the video carefully. Bend the orange pipe cleaners back slightly. This makes it easier to make the stem. Gather the orange chenille stems in one hand and take the brown chenille stem in the other hand. Place your thumb over top of the brown chenille. Wrap the orange stems tightly together with the brown chenille. After about 3 wraps, stop. Find your green coiled chenille stems and we'll add them for the vine. If your green stem got squished in the box, this is how you can fix it. Find a pencil and unwrap the green. Hold one end of the green against the pencil and wrap it tightly. Leave about 1/2 inch straight and slide the coil off the pencil. And with the uncurled end, place it against the orange and wrap the orange and the green with the brown. Continue to wrap tightly until you're about halfway up the stem. Then take the green vines and separate them, pulling them down slightly, and continue to wrap the orange and the brown above the green. Tuck the orange in when necessary, and then finish with the brown so that the orange is covered completely. Next, you'll shape the beads so it looks like a pumpkin. And you have completed your pumpkin. Thanks for watching.